Alpha Strategy Group's Economic Snapshot, August 4th, 2014. April and May were revised up slightly, so that over the past 12 months, private employment has risen by a total of more than 2.4 million. In addition, the 1.4 million total non-farm jobs added in the first half of this year are the most in any first half since 1999. Furthermore, this is the first time since September 1999 to January 2000 we have seen total job growth above 200,000 for 5 straight months. In New Jersey, July 9, 2014, the state of New Jersey added 4,620 private sector jobs during the month of June, according to the ADP Regional Employment Report, which is produced by ADP. The unemployment situation, July 2014. Total non-farm payroll unemployment increased 209,000 in July, and the unemployment rate was little changed at 6.2%, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported today. Job gains occurred in the professional and business services, manufacturing, retail trade, and construction. Many scars from the financial crisis remain. 9.7 million Americans are out of work, and wage growth, closely watched by the Federal Reserve and others, didn't budge last month. Average hourly earnings for private sector workers rose just 2% in July over last year, in line with the sluggish trend since the recession.